Oh man, you guys. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Or one thing after another, I should say. Check this out. See all that dead grass and that big old black spot? Yeah. Guess what did that? My lawnmower. Good old Craftsman. Craftsman, I should say. This one right here. Good old DLT3000. Junk. It's got... This is as far as I made it, obviously. So, we're looking at like... Right there. Right here. So, yeah, not so good. I don't know what the hell. But we gonna find out. Because 25 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton Intech V-twin. Not looking good. So let's see what we can find out. I think it's way past overdue time for a new seat. What do you guys think? It's freaking soaked, by the way, too. Yeah. Yep. Not sitting on that. I guess I have to a little bit. Oh, my ass is gonna get wet. Oh yeah, love that. It's so good. Okay, so this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, great. Runs good. No way. Okay. So I'm super confused, right? Because literally smoked out the whole freaking block, like, for a solid 5 minutes. And then, now I just started it, and it didn't at all, really. I mean, you guys saw it, no smoke. And it ran fine for a second. But now, what's happening is, what I had to do to make it keep running is, it's like it's flooding itself out while it's running now, which is very strange. I've never heard anything do that. At wide open throttle, still flooding itself out. That's weird. So I had to undo this to get it to fire up again. So if I undid that, it would just take whatever gas is left in the crankcase, or not the crankcase, the carburetor, and burn that up instead of just flushing it in there and flooding itself out to where it would just stall out and not run again because of the mechanical fuel pumps. So I figured that would have been the problem, right? It's just getting too much because that failed, so I ordered a new one. But that's not the problem either. So I don't know. We're gonna drop the bowl on the carburetor and see if the float's stuck. And oh, got him. Skeeters. Sorry. And then if it's not, I have no freaking idea what to do. So we'll start there. Hopefully we can get this thing going again because I am so confused right now. All right, let's get to it. Look at this sad thing. What a pile. Freaking tires are flat. Front and back on the driver's side. God damn. Oh boy. Oh boy. Junk. Alright, so we gotta get the hood off of here, which that just undo the headlight clip and just pop it right out of there. So that's easy enough. Pop the air filter out. Toss the cover to the side. Then take out the bolts around the engine cover. Take off this fan cover too first, obviously. Pop that off there, then we'll be able to get to the front end and see what's going on with the carburetor. Might not have to take all this off. We'll see when we get that off. But there's something else up there. That heat shield, I think. Yeah, we gotta get that off up there. And then, yeah. So let's do that. I got it off there. Now I almost wonder if I just beat the thing a little bit. Yeah, it'll free it up some or something. I don't know. We'll try. Worth a try, right? Let's try and fire it up. Okay, got the fuel line hooked up temporarily to get enough gas up in there at least. Might have to pull back off again if that didn't work, so we'll see what happens. Fire in the hole. Oh God. Well, there was that smoke I was talking about. Oh, that's why it's so loud, just because the muffler's not attached. Whoops, I should probably put that back on with those 2 bolts from that thing. Okay, so timeout. Round 2. Fight. No choke either, that's weird. Choke it wide open. See, it's choking itself out. Weird. Okay. And now it won't start back up, watch. No love. But now watch this. Take off that fuel line up there and tuck that up here on top of the vent for a second there. Okay, so look, no fuel line. Watch. I haven't stopped recording yet, guys. Throttle, we'll just go about half again. Wait for it. What the F, guys? And now it kind of sounds pretty good. You know? Starting to smoke. Should run out here in a second. Yeah. So, I don't know. I guess I'll pull the carburetor off and see what the heck's going on. But that's not good, because look at it smoking. She obviously got hot. Yep. Okay. I'm going to yank the carb off. God, look at all that. I don't know what the F, guys. Phew. Man, this thing's kind of seen better days, but you know, whatever. Wow, hot as can be. Cut my grass, I'm good with it. And I think it will cut my grass. Legends, until next time. See, what had happened was, the float was stuck all the way down. Huh. Go figure. We got her though. All I do is just drop that float bowl down, pop that thing back up, put the float bowl right back on, bolt her back together. That was it. Thank freaking God, this was an easy one. I never get this lucky. But guess what? This time we did, boys and girls. Stay legendary, people. Catch y'all next time. I got some grass to mow. Peace. What do you think, buddy? Huh? What do you think? Now don't be a forgetful Francis or a foolish Fred. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends.